Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, MasterTask and Google Sheets. So the use case here is, whenever there is a new row in Google Sheet, we want MasterTask to create new task. First, let us know what these two software applications are all about. So Google Sheet is an online spreadsheet program, whereas MasterTask is a project management software. The issue that comes here is that Google Sheet and MasterTask don't have any integration between them, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect, a third-party application software which is going to help us to integrate both these two software applications. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen.
Okay, so here I am at Google, and now what I'm going to do is I'll go to this URL section over here and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly, and from this product section I'm going to go to this connect, and now let us sign in. Okay, so now because I have already signed in, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free in just 2 minutes. Here I'd like to mention one more thing. Pabbly Connect offers a free plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your own account now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box below the video. So now I'm going to scroll down, and here at Connect, I'm going to select Access Now. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and now let us create a new workflow. So let us name this as Google Sheets to MasterTask. Okay, so this is the trigger dialog box over here when this happens, and you have to choose an app here. So you can add action steps by clicking on this plus button from here. So here we want to integrate Google Sheets with MasterTask using Pabbly Connect. So first we are going to integrate Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect, and then we'll integrate MasterTask with Pabbly Connect. So first I'm going to choose Google Sheets over here. Okay, and in choose method we have one option, new spreadsheet row. Okay. If you want more method of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. So now you can see this new term called webhook URL. Most of you might not know what is webhook URL. So let me explain you. After choosing the method, what we do is we copy this webhook URL from here and we go and paste it inside Google Sheets. So now let me tell you what is webhook. So webhook is an essential way to get data from an external software at Pabbly's end. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this webhook URL from here. If you want, you can just follow all these instructions written over here and go and paste this webhook URL inside Google Sheets. So now I have already opened my Google Sheets in a new window. So here you can see this add-ons option over here. So now I'm going to select Pabbly Connect Webhooks. If you have not yet installed Pabbly Connect Webhooks, you can get it from Get Add-ons and you can install it. So I'm going to select this one, and here you can see initial setup. So I'll select it. Okay, so this is the dialog box of initial setup, and here I am going to paste my webhook URL that I copied from Pabbly Connect. And in this trigger column, you have to enter the last column of your Google Sheets. So here my last column is D. That is why I have entered D. And now we'll go back to Pabbly Connect and let us capture the webhook response. So I'll go back to Google Sheets and now let us send test. Okay, now submit. Now before moving further, we'll again go back to add-ons here at Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to select send on event. Okay, so now let us go back to Pabbly Connect, and you can see we have got the webhook response. That means we have integrated Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So now I'm going to save this. Okay, so we have finished our first step integration. Now we'll begin with our second step integration, that is integrating MasterTask with Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to choose MasterTask, this one. And in choose methods, I want to create a task whenever a new row is added in Google Sheets. There were many other methods, you can choose whichever you want. And if you don't get the method of your choice, again, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. So now I'm going to connect with MasterTask. Okay, credentials, again, you don't have to worry. Token, enter your access token. So you can read this. You can find your access token by logging to your MasterTask account. After login, go to this link under personal access tokens you can create. Okay, so I have already logged into my MasterTask account. Now let us go and open this link in new tab. Okay, so you can see this page is opened over here. As the instructions said, we have to go to the section called personal access tokens. So we'll search, where is it? Personal, this is the personal access token. So now let us copy this here. Okay, so I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste it over here. Okay, so we have entered this access token over here. Now let us save it. Okay, so you can see some empty fields over here. Now we have to map the data. So project. Now project is the project that you have already made in MasterTask. Now in MasterTask, I have these three projects: Pabbly Launch, Web Project, New Project. Now I want my task to be saved in New Project. So I'm going to select New Project over here. Okay, so now in section, I'll show you what it is. I'll go to MasterTask and in New Project, you can see these three sections: Open, Done, In Progress. So I want my task to be saved in Progress section. So I'll select it. Task name, let us map it. Task name integration, assign to, you don't have to worry. Task notes, let me make it ABC. Due date, I'll just make it, due date is this one. Okay, so now we'll save and send test request. Okay, so you can see we have got the API response. That means we have integrated MasterTask with Pabbly Connect as well. So now let us go to MasterTask and see if this task is created there or not. So I'll go to MasterTask. Okay, in progress, you can see this integration ABC. That means we have successfully integrated Google Sheets and MasterTask. Now let me show you this again with one more example so that you can understand how this process takes place in real time. Okay, so now I'll go back to Google Sheets and now I'm going to add a new row over here. So let me enter. So the task name is Marketing, assigned to Cara Fiona. Due date is 20th November. Okay, task note XYZ. Okay, so now let's go to MasterTask and see if a new task is created there or not. So I'll come to MasterTask. You can see Marketing XYZ, due date is November 2020. Okay, so now what would have happened? First, the information would have gone from Google Sheets to Pabbly Connect, and then the information would have gone from Pabbly Connect to MasterTask. Now, every time a new row is added in Google Sheet, automatically tasks will be created in MasterTask in this new project over here in progress.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using our Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our team will help you to automate your workflows. You can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.